In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming black screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to use xCloud through a web browser, as you can see here, or more specifically through the Xbox app, and you are getting a black screen, fixing this is extremely simple. There is a weird method that works for most people. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can get it to work. All that you have to do is go into the Windows settings and look for the language and region settings. So when you go over to the time and language category, you will be able to select language and region. Inside of language and region, all that you have to do is make sure that this language pack, English United States, is set as the default one. What I mean by default is that it is on top of the list. So if you click and hold on any language packs, you will be able to drag them up and down. Or you can click on these little three dots and then select the option to move up or down. Like I said, all that you have to do is ensure that English United States is the one at the top of the list. It is weird, but this is the method that works. You will be able to go into add a language if you don't have English United States listed and add it from here. So just go over to the search, look for English United States, and you will be able to select it from here. It is going to be a quick installation. It is grayed out for me because I already have it, and once it appears on this list, just drag it up on top. You don't need to change the region. This is going to be the only change necessary. Afterwards, if you try to use the Xbox app, you will see this little green spaceship while loading, so the black screen is going to go away and you will be able to proceed after the queue is done. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming black screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.